In a world of counterfeit medicines, how does a pharmaceutical distributor know that the returns they receive from their customers are genuine and not counterfeit? That is the project that has been given to us by SAP as part of our blockchain technology course. First, let's get an idea of the scale of the problem of counterfeiting in the pharmaceutical industry. Well, as you can imagine, it's pretty huge. An article by the European Pharmaceutical Review estimated the annual value of counterfeit drugs is about $320 billion a year. It also believes that 60% of drugs purchased online are fake and 30% of medicines sold in developing countries are counterfeit. The pharmaceutical industry has been trying for years to find a solution to counterfeit medicines entering the supply chain. But the ease with which transaction records, product codes, packaging can be forged and criminal manufacturers can use fake ingredients to make counterfeit medicines, no solution has been found until now. The MediLedger is a collaboration of industry stakeholders who have combined blockchain and traditional technologies to develop a solution for the pharmaceutical industry that meets regulatory requirements and addresses the issue of counterfeiting. The MediLedger blockchain solution is a permission system that allows for transactions along the pharmaceutical supply chain to be immutable, agreed by consensus, and stored in a distributed ledger. This makes the transactions that support the physical movement along the supply chain 100% tamper-proof. It therefore becomes impossible for counterfeit medicines to be introduced into the supply chain as they do not have any supporting transactions and so they cannot be delivered anywhere. So the benefits of the MediLedger system, they provide this immutable record of transactions and data that ensures the authenticity of the medicines that it refers to. The permission system with verified participants ensures that all users are checked and the illegal operators are kept out of the system. Each transaction or step within the supply chain is updated on the blockchain and authenticated by proof of authority consensus. This closes all vulnerabilities within the supply chain that traditionally were an entry point for counterfeit medicines. The MediLedger lookup system allows full track and trace of all medicine movements within the supply chain, both outward from the manufacturer and distributor out to the final reseller and backwards through the supply chain, so for the returns coming from the seller back into the distributor. So to conclude, when a distributor uses the lookup function within the MediLedger, they are referencing data held on the blockchain. So it will always be up to date with the latest transactions, product data, reference numbers, etc. So the distributor can be 100% assured that the returns they are receiving are genuine and not counterfeit. Therefore, this MediLedger meets the requirements of SAP.